The most surprising feature on the 2026 Toyota RAV4 isn't something you see on the outside, and it's not even something most people will notice at first. In fact, it's something that could quietly replace the traditional car key altogether. For years, drivers have relied on the same familiar remote key fob. But that familiarity is starting to fade, and the replacement isn't some distant, futuristic idea. It's already here. When you take delivery of your new RAV4, you might find something sitting alongside your keys that looks completely out of place. It resembles a simple credit card, thin, minimal, and easy to ignore. Most people wouldn't think twice about it, but that small, unassuming card is actually one of the most advanced and overlooked features Toyota has introduced. This is the NFC keycard, and despite how simple it looks, it has the potential to completely change the way you unlock, access, and start your vehicle. What makes this feature even more surprising is that it isn't limited to a top-tier version of the 2026 Toyota RAV4. It's actually included as standard equipment on most trims, starting from the XLE and above. Only the base LE model misses out, which means a large number of buyers will receive this without even realizing its significance. Physically, the card looks and feels just like something you'd keep in your wallet every day. It's thin, lightweight, and designed to blend in with your regular cards. But beneath that simple design is near-field communication technology, commonly known as NFC. This isn't new technology. It's the same system used when you tap your debit card to make a payment or when you use a hotel keycard to access your room. What Toyota has done is take that familiar technology and integrate it directly into how you interact with your vehicle. Instead of pressing buttons from a distance, this system works through close-range interaction. And that small shift changes everything about how the vehicle is accessed and started. The way this system works is surprisingly simple, and that's what makes it feel so seamless in everyday use. As you approach your 2026 Toyota RAV4, there's no need to reach for a bulky key fob or press any buttons. All you have to do is take the card from your wallet or pocket and bring it close to the door handle. A simple tap is all it takes to unlock the vehicle. The same principle applies once you're inside. Instead of inserting a key or relying on a wireless signal, you tap the card near the push-button start area, and the vehicle recognizes it instantly, allowing the engine to start. There's no pairing process each time, no apps to open, and no delay. The interaction is immediate and intentional. At its core, this NFC keycard performs three essential functions. It locks the vehicle, unlocks it, and authorizes the engine to start. That's it. No extra steps, no unnecessary complexity. Just a direct connection between you and the car. And because everything happens at such close range, the experience feels almost effortless, as if the vehicle responds the moment you decide to interact with it. Where this feature becomes even more impressive is in the way it solves problems that traditional key fobs have struggled with for years. With a standard remote, everything depends on a battery and a radio signal. When that battery starts to weaken, or worse, dies completely, it usually happens at the most inconvenient moment. With the NFC card on the 2026 Toyota RAV4, that concern is largely eliminated. There are no buttons to press, no signals to broadcast over long distances, and no reliance on a constantly powered transmitter. The system only works when you physically bring the card close to the vehicle, which removes many of the common failure points. But the biggest advantage shows up in security. Traditional key fobs operate using radio frequencies that can travel several meters away from the vehicle. That convenience also creates a vulnerability. There are tools designed to capture and extend those signals, tricking the car into thinking the key is present when it isn't. This NFC system doesn't work that way. It requires direct proximity, often just a few centimeters, to function. There's no long-range communication to intercept, no signal to amplify, and no way to unlock the vehicle from a distance. That simple requirement of physically tapping the card turns it into one of the most secure ways to access a modern vehicle. In everyday use, this small shift in technology opens up a level of convenience that's easy to overlook at first, but becomes more noticeable over time. Because the NFC card for the 2026 Toyota RAV4 is as thin as a credit card, it fits naturally into situations where a traditional key fob would feel bulky or inconvenient. If you're going for a run, heading to the gym, or doing any kind of physical activity, carrying a large key fob isn't always ideal. This card, however, slides easily into a wallet or even a pocket without adding any noticeable weight or bulk. It also becomes a practical option when handing your vehicle over to someone else. Whether it's valet parking or simply sharing your car, giving out a SIM card feels more controlled and less cumbersome than handing over a full key fob. And if it's misplaced, it's far less disruptive than losing your primary remote. What makes this even more interesting is that this isn't the only alternative to the traditional key. Alongside the NFC card, most trims also include a digital key that works through your smartphone. So instead of relying on a single physical device, you now have multiple ways to access and start your vehicle. And taken together, these options point toward a clear direction, one where the traditional car key is slowly becoming less essential. What makes this feature truly remarkable is how widely it's available across the 2026 Toyota RAV4 lineup. It's not limited to a top-tier package. XLE, XLE Premium, Woodland, and Limited models all come standard with both the NFC keycard and the digital key. Only the base LE is excluded, which means most RAV4 owners will have access to this advanced convenience right from day one. This level of accessibility is unusual. Normally, features like this are reserved for premium trims or special technology packages, gradually trickling down to lower models over time. But Toyota has made a bold choice, putting this technology directly into the hands of everyday drivers. There's no setup, no pairing, no app to download, just take the card out of your wallet, tap it on the door handle or push-button start, and your vehicle responds immediately. And that's what makes it so quietly transformative. This isn't just a way to unlock or start your car. It changes the way you interact with your vehicle every single day. It's more secure than a traditional key fob, more convenient than ever, and flexible enough to fit any lifestyle, whether you're running errands, heading to the gym, or sharing your car with someone else. For the 2026 RAV4, the traditional car key isn't obsolete yet, but with innovations like the NFC keycard and digital key, it's clear that the future of vehicle access has arrived. Toyota has quietly redefined convenience, security, and simplicity. And once you experience it, you'll see why this small card might just be the RAV4's most surprising feature. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more videos.